do you think happens then? Consider your position carefully. I got my money, or neither of us walk out of here. You willing to die for this? Maybe I need the 50,000 more than you do.
Never quitting at the halfway mark. Some people wander through the dark on the path they chart, cutting the corners off, thinking the fast way smart, but pushing through when shit gets slow, that takes heart. Fully committed, giving the proof to critics. I never will lose interest. My fuel's infinite. I line my shots up, then swing. Use them physics, keep it rolling on the green through the grooves and divots. Now we rolling all the green. Get it on par with the pros. Parameters will expand, so the farther I go, the larger it grows. I reach for the quill, draw the bow, bullseye. Any target I chose. Come on. Woke up this morning, I chose to go get it. Look in the mirror, I see a pro in it. Look at the future, I see there's no limit. Y'all just have been it, I want the whole damn lane.
Yeah! Alright, that's our videos for the day. See, I already know we ain't gonna watch no Saint Center. But we are going to stop the Rumble video from recording, and we'll come back and finish that up here later. Get that posted to Rumble. But y'all know y'all get to see it on this side of the field. So you know how it be. I'll do a Rumble live tomorrow, so Rumble will get to see the garden, because you know they don't just get hidden access from the garden. We're going to take Rumble in there tomorrow. But that'll be the Mother's Day video. Shouts out to the mothers, though. Appreciate them coming through, showing love today, because you know tomorrow we're going to have to give them their props. So, you know how we do. Speaking of ladies, shouts out to Tent 2, the Vivo Sun tent. Yeah, that's just the VS 1000. You see what I'm saying? And we're knocking out a 4x4 Vivo Sun tent. So, easy roll, easy throw, right? Right, put sisters and ladies off up in here, let them chill. Yeah, they already starting to produce flower sites, so yeah, they're autos. That's what they do. They come in and get out. Yeah, it's a good thing about them. Then, of course, quick trip to the green room. Yeah, didn't actually take a to get in here today, so that's the good news. Y'all know we got our tranquil candle out of my Easter basket, which was a bag of a deal. So you see what I'm saying? I got that burning over here, got it smelling good up here, and then it's, you know, the actual CBD oil too. So I get the benefit of being in here. Shout out to the weekend gang, because that's what we do on the weekends. Yeah, but y'all already see we got the autos over there. Shout out to the son of Odin Seed Company. Sent that Auto Army 2024 pack. And yeah, he said he out here pollen chucking motherfuckers. Get in and get out, right? Right. Whatever you gonna do, go ahead and do it, he say. Shit. Y'all see the dragon fruit and the strawberries. The money trees over there by the snake plant. Yeah. And then we got another new little recent addition to the scene. But y'all know how the green room is. We got them plant types. Yeah, of course, there's a pineapple sitting by itself. And of course, you know, you see the strawberries. The strawberries have actually been doing strawberry-ish things. But since I needed more runners to grow, I seen a few. I actually let them grow instead of focusing on berries at the moment. But, you know, that's the risk I was willing to take, was getting that whole thing to be filled up with strawberries, and then I'll focus on the berry count next year, because they'll only be short-term producing as far as this season. And if they're focusing more on runners, then there won't be that many berries. Shouts out to the strawberries, though. You know, you gotta be